welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can improve the quality of your audio files. If you have any audio file and you want to increase the volume and remove noise from your audio files, how you can do that? You can search for Adobe Podcast. After that, here you can see this site. Just click here. Then here you can see these are various tools. Just click here, go to enhance speech. After that, just select your audio files. Here you can see these are the exported formats: MP3 format, WAV format, and some other formats. After that, select your file. Here you can see the file has MP3 format. If you have MP4 audio files format, that will not be created. Here you can see the file has started uploading. And it will take just few seconds. After that, once it will be completed, we will be able to download this file. Here you can see the file has been converted. Now just click here, download button. And here you can see the file size has been increased. Just download it, and after that you can test the file and you will feel a great difference between previous file and the next file. So thank you for watching video.